Disclosure is inevitable. Disclosure is the uncovering of what is hidden. And there are so many people that are disheartened right now because they're feeling frustrated about the lies that are being perpetuated through media outlets. It has reached a fever pitch, and we're in 2021 now where we are angry and ready for the truth to come out in so many different ways. And I just wanted to release this message today because this is extremely important. Disclosure is inevitable. There is hope. There is literally nothing on this planet that is hidden and in secret and in the dark that will not be brought to light. This is 100% truth. This is fact. And the more that we grasp this and appreciate this, it helps us tap into a hope and a faith and a peace that we're able to use in our daily lives when we are interfacing with and grappling with these very complex issues and a lot of the lies and deceit and all of the evil that is in this world. It is so imperative that we realize that disclosure is inevitable. It took me years to get to this. I realized I heard people say it, but I didn't actually grasp it inside of me until in the last couple of years, just really coming into the depths of the darkness of the satanic agenda in this world and really what's going on with all of the horrors that we are seeing being brought out. Now, because we are aware of these things, we now are getting into that level where we're going, well, what's going to be done about this? And then you're starting to see a lot of anger and frustration because people feel powerless, they feel hopeless. But the realization that I had was that there is hope. This is a supernatural war that's going on. It's a supernatural battle. There are things that are happening beyond the physical that we are just seeing physical symptoms of. And when you tap into this reality and you realize that good wins in the end, everything comes out, truth will out, the light is inevitable. And when I talk about this with people that are in this state of anger and frustration, and it's righteous anger, this is a point where when you know the truth, you want the evil and the lies to be exposed. And I think when we realize that this is a supernatural battle going on, and we realize that the truth will out, it helps us to stop, take a deep breath, and realize that there's a divine order, there's a divine plan that's occurring right now, all around us, every moment, and we're a part of that. And if we can tap into that peace and let go, it allows us to function in the way that we need to be functioning now in order to help bring that about. And we can't be doing that when we're in these spaces of anger, frustration, and fear. We have to shift into faith, peace, the realization of the hope that we are going to be in the light. We're in the light now, but there are gradations of truth seeking that happen over time, and we're in that process. So whereas we're in this time of imperfection, it's like we see in a mirror dimly or a blurred reflection. But in that time when perfection comes, we will see reality face to face, because now we only know in part, in fragments, but then we will see God's face fully. And the reality is God made us promises. God made us a promise that all will be brought out. There's literally nothing hidden on this planet that will not be brought to light. And Paul said in the book of Hebrews that we will seize and hold fast and retain without wavering the hope we cherish and confess and our acknowledgement of it. For he who promised is reliable and faithful to his word. This is God. God is he who promised. We can have 100% faith that what's going on right now, any darkness we see, will eventually be brought to light. And there's a plan and there's timing that comes into all of this. And so instead of being frustrated at something being not disclosed, we can have faith that disclosure is inevitable. We will 100% see every single facet of truth in the entire universe. So I just wanted to share that with you guys today, because I feel like as we go into 2021, We need to tap into this faith. We need to tap into this promise from God that we can cherish and we can confess and we can share, because this is the truth. And when we go into living our daily lives, we can take this truth, this fact, this knowledge with us, and it will help us to, it'll help to inform us in how we can better walk in the light to bring this disclosure about. I hope that this was useful to you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please jump down into the comment section below. This is Teresa Yenaris at Divine Frequency. If you like this kind of content, please like this video, subscribe. You have ideas for other videos, or if anything came up in this video that you have questions about, let me know. You can follow us on Facebook. You can jump into our group on Facebook, and make sure to follow our blog at thedivinefrequency.com. Y'all have a great day. Bye.